Is it the Yeti?
Worse, a stampede! Run!
Ooh, what? Oh, right. I can fly!
Kids!
Sam? Grab the clay claw!
Whew. Thanks, Kit.
What were those things?
Look, it's a herd of Himalayan Tahrs.
What are who now?
Himalayan Tahrs have thick, woolly coats and live in big herds high on the mountain slopes.
Well, their fur definitely matches. Their smell matches too. But if they live up in the mountains, why are they down here eating everybody's crops?
Good question, Sam. Excuse us. We're from Clade and...
Run away!
Run away! Was it something I said?
They're heading up the mountain! Follow those Tahrs! Dead end! Easy now!
We just want to...
If you could just...
Oh no, which way now?
What do we do?
Jumpy things, aren't they? Better let old Wally handle this. Attention, my woolly friends. This is Wally Bangler, Nature Ranger, asking you all to take a deep breath. There you go. Much better.
Wow! I can't believe that worked.
We don't mean to scare you. We just want to know why you've been eating all the crops.
We didn't mean to cause trouble. We usually graze up near the top of this mountain, but look, our normal path is blocked. We didn't mean any harm. We were just hungry.
We understand. We're here to help.
There has to be another way to get you Tahrs back to your usual grazing area. Wally, can you fly up and see if there's another path up the mountain?
Sure can. There!
Great! Now mark the path you see on this map.
Ooh, got any games on this thing?
Kit, you and I will lead the Tahrs up this new path. Wally, you take up the rear and keep the herd moving in the right direction.
Gotcha! How do I do that?
Just try to make lots of noise.
Lots of noise. I can do that!
I'd say we found the perfect job for Wally.
Attention, woolly friends! You're all doing great! Wally, dear, I'm going to the store! Do you need anything? Not now, Mum. I'm on a mission. Now, maybe some new socks.
Uh-oh. The path gets narrow up ahead.
Single file, everyone! Single file!
Easy does it.
Rock slide alert! Rock slide alert!
Forget easy does it! Go, go, go!
Just 5 more Tahrs to go. 4, 3, 2, and... Whiskers, we made it.
Oh, that's delicious, that.
Home, sweet home!
Thank you for bringing us back to our regular grazing spot.
Don't mention it, Tahrs. I don't think they'll be bothering those farmers anymore. Another creature case closed.